Hi guys, welcome to our lesson number 6, the tilt switch. So basically this is the tilt switch. This is how it looks like. The connection here is very simple. You connect one of the pins of this tilt switch to pin number 2, and the other one is to the ground. So if you connected to a female to male wire, and the other side, let's just say that this red wire goes to pin number 2, and the other wire goes to the ground. So this is the connection. So again, the logic here is, if this tilt switch stops to the bottom here, then it will connect a continuous connection. So the LED in pin number 13 or the built-in LED will light up. So let's try it. Let's power it up. So let's put it this way. But when we put it like this, the light's still not on. But if we tilt it, that means the connection is continuous within the power supply. Okay, again, no contact, no contact, with contact, no contact, with contact. That's it.